Hi, welcome to Learn with me. Today we're going to learn how to do a fun game with flashcards. It's called Greater Number Wins. So we're going to be dividing our flashcards into two different piles because we have two players playing this time. So each player would turn over their top flashcard and then we would do the math. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Greater number wins. That means the player that had this card gets to put it on their side. And then you each put your cards back out again to see who has the greater number. The great thing about this is I can mix my addition and subtraction flashcards together to really challenge my brain. So here, 4 plus 3 is 7. 17 take away 10 is also 7. So I have a tie. That means each player is going to take their next flashcard and turn it over. And then we're going to see which of those is greater. 20. And before I even do the math, my brain can already see that this is clearly going to be the larger amount. This helps me with my number sense when I think about how the numbers are. And I can continue to add this up. 8, 9, 10, 11. 20 is greater than 11. That means the player from this side captures all of these cards for their side. And then the play continues. 2 plus 5. And I can also use non-traditional flashcards. 7 and 10. I see that 10 is definitely greater, so that would go on this side. When I have no more cards, I take my stack and I begin again. And I keep playing until one player has all the cards and one player has no cards at all. So that's Greater Number Wins flashcard fun.